This is Randy Kincaid with Kincaid Auction Realty inviting you to check out this 310J John Deere loader that we're going to have in our upcoming machinery and equipment auction on Saturday, June the 18th at 6123 Jensen Road in Tampa. You'll also be able to bid online. This particular machine was involved in a fire. The building suffered an extensive amount of smoke and heat damage. The machine itself suffered some melted plastic on it. Some of the plastic fenders and the rooftop were damaged. Other than that, the machine works perfectly. All of the valves work, all of the hoses are in good shape, and everything works on it, including lights, switches, and even the seat upholstery is in great condition. It has all new rubber that had just recently been replaced by the city of Indian Rocks Beach just prior to the fire damage. The insurance company paid it off and hired us to sell it without reserve. That's right, folks. If you're the high bidder on this machine, you will own it. It is a great piece of equipment. It only has 890 hours on it, and the city employees told me that they had serviced that machine meticulously all through the life of it and taken good care of it. It really shows it too, because it works great. The city employees told me they had always kept it in the maintenance building when they weren't using it. We will have this machine, plus many others, and added equipment and vehicles in this huge auction. You won't want to miss it. Not only do we have big equipment in there and trucks and trailers, we'll also have RVs. We have a lot of small equipment, a lot of items that were damaged in the fire that cleaned up perfectly and are in good operating shape, including tools, hand power tools, and supplies that they used in the operations of the city. Be prepared for a long day, lots of surprises, and a lot of things to be added. You won't want to miss this auction. If you can't attend the auction, you will be able to bid on the major pieces online. Go to our website, www.kincaid.com, for all of the details and how you can register to bid. Every day we are posting new pictures and new items that we're going to have in this big event. We already have a pretty complete photo album if you'd like to go to our website, www.kincaid.com, and check it out for yourself. We'll see you at the auction.